Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to build agent support team in BoldDesk. You can do this either manually or by importing them in bulk. Let's get started. First, let me show you how to add agents manually in BoldDesk. I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the admin module. Then, click Agents under the Users and Permissions section to open the agents listing page. Here, click the Add Agent button and a window opens. In it, enter the agent's name, display name, email, and phone number. Choose the time zone, language, ticket access scope, and roles. Next, enable the Can Access All Brand Tickets checkbox based on the role. Click Add to complete the process. Next, I will show you how to import agents in bulk. Using the Import Data feature lets users quickly and efficiently create multiple agents, saving time and avoiding the need for manual data entry. The data import process can be initiated from two locations, from the Admin Center using the Import Data module or directly from the Agents module in the Users and Permissions section, using the Import option on the Agents listing page. When I click the Import option, a page opens. Select the Agents option from the drop-down menu in the Modules section. Then, choose the preferred way to handle duplicate records. You can choose to skip or overwrite them. Next, I browse for the file. There is an option to download a sample file, which serves as a guide for identifying the columns used in BoldDesk for agents. I click the Next button to map the columns from the source file to the corresponding fields for agents in BoldDesk. If the columns from the source file align with the fields for BoldDesk's agents, field mapping will be completed automatically. If the ticket access scope, brands, and roles are not mapped, then default values for restricted, all brand access, and agent will be applied, respectively. This applies exclusively to agent imports. Once the mapping is completed, click Next to show a summary of the column mapping. Then, I click the Import button. The request will be queued, and I will receive an email notification when the import is complete. The import process can be cancelled by clicking the Cancel Import option, which is available when the import is running or has not started. When the data import process is complete, a log of the imported files will be recorded in the Import Histories section. Consider the following aspects when importing data. The maximum supported file size is 5 MB, which should not exceed 5,000 records. The supported file formats are XLS, XLSX, and .csv. Groups, brands, and roles can be separated by using two-pipe characters. And that's it. Stay tuned for more BoldDesk feature videos like this. Thanks for watching.